Want to keep more money in your pocket this year? Let's talk smart savings, RRSPs, TFSAs, and everyday budgeting tricks that actually work. RRSPs are great if you earn a higher income now and want to lower your taxes today. Contributions reduce your taxable income, and you defer the tax until retirement. TFSAs are perfect if you're in a lower tax bracket now. Your money grows tax-free, and you won't pay a dime in tax when you take it out.
Fact check. This is true. RRSPs offer upfront tax deductions. TFSAs offer tax-free withdrawals. RRSP withdrawals are taxed later. TFSAs are not.
Have kids? RESPs are worth it only if you qualify for government grants like the Canada Education Savings Grant, CESG. That's up to 20% extra on your contributions. But if you don't qualify, a TFSA may be better. Your savings won't be locked in, and the government can't claw it back if your kids don't go to school.
Fact check. CESG offers 20% on the first $2,500 per year per child. Unused grants may be reclaimed if funds aren't used for eligible education.
Always keep looking for ways to lower your monthly bills. Can open source tools like Plex, Kodi, or Jelly Bean replace your streaming subscriptions like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Spotify? Maybe. It depends on how much content you already own.
Fact check. Plex is legal for personal use with your own media. It's not a subscription replacement for those who rely on licensed streaming content, but can help cut costs if used properly.
Can lowering your internet speed save $10 to $20 per month? Absolutely, especially if you're just browsing or streaming in standard HD. Switching cell phone providers like MTS or TELUS to Fido or Virgin can lower your phone bill. Some carriers offer budget plans under $25 per month with limited data. Great if you're mostly on Wi-Fi or stay within city limits. Eating in versus eating out. A single home-cooked dinner can cost less than $5 per person. Never underestimate the power of a grocery list and a stove. Use a pre-planned meal menu to save more. You'll buy exactly what you need, cutting waste, impulse snacks, and last-minute takeout.
Fact check. Menu planning is a proven method to reduce food costs and improve nutrition. Studies show up to 25% savings when grocery shopping with a plan.
Whether you're saving for retirement, your kids, or just the end of the month, small, smart moves today build big results tomorrow. Remember, start budgeting smart today, protect your credit, and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.